Okay, now that we've covered the small carton, we're going to move on to the medium carton. Here in the living room, its most common uses would be lamps, lampshades, or small pitchers, which we are going to start with first. You can also find this box to be useful in the kitchen for pots and pans, small appliances, cereal boxes, etc., or upstairs in the bedrooms for clothes and linens. We're going to start now to pack small pitchers. And the first thing we need to do when we're packing fragiles in a box is to put a cushioning at the bottom of the box to prevent those items from being damaged. Now, we're going to start by making a cushion ourselves out of white newsprint. So I'm going to pull 3 sheets of paper loosely, and then I'm going to roll them together, leaving plenty of air gapping in the middle. That is actually what provides the cushioning for the bottom of the box. So I'm going to roll that up, and I'm going to tuck in the end a little bit, and then I'm going to place it in the box perpendicular to the seam at the bottom of the box. I will now continue to make additional bumps to fill up the bottom of the box. Okay, with the cushioning all the way across the bottom of the box, we're ready to start wrapping up our pitchers. We're going to start with pitchers that are the largest you can fit in this size box. So lay them down face first on the white newsprint, and then simply wrap them right up. Now for this, you may want to have just a couple of spare tabs of tape to help pack up the end result so that it doesn't pop open on you. And then you're going to simply slide it in the box, and you want to put the pitcher perpendicular to the cushioning at the bottom of the box so that it can't slide behind one of the cushions and end up unprotected. We're going to continue this process from front to back, much like the book boxes, until we have a tight, unshifting block of pitchers. Okay, now I've placed the pitchers in the box from front to back. When placing the pitchers, again, we put them perpendicular to the cushioning at the bottom, and we put them glass to glass and back to back to make sure that no items could be damaged. The pitchers are in the box in a manner in which they can't shift around. I've filled some vacant space here with some crumpled newsprint, as we mentioned earlier in the books and CDs video. And up in the front, where I used the smallest of the pitchers, I was able to fit 2 side by side. Now I'm ready to put a cushioning up at the top of the box, seal it, and this box will be ready to go. So first, the box itself is slightly unlevel because there were taller pitchers here and smaller pitchers here. So I'm going to use a couple of small cushions made up the same way we made the ones at the bottom of the box to level the surface off. Now I'm ready to put the cushions up at the top of the box, and you'll see again, I'm going to put them perpendicular to the items I've packed in the box. So I'm going to slide the cushions all through over the top. And now this box is ready to seal and label just like we did before.